Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. Well, Samsung is at it again. Samsung's XCover line is getting a new member. The Galaxy XCover 6 Pro has gone official, with features you'd expect to see in a 2022 model, as well as the return of a key feature we've missed. The device is Samsung's first rugged smartphone with 5G support, coupled with Wi-Fi 6E connectivity. The company announced opens in new tab. The latter should give you faster wireless speeds and lower latencies, though this depends on a number of factors, including the network provider and user environment. It is powered by Qualcomm's 6nm-based Snapdragon 778G chipset, making it a worthy contender for the best cheap Android phones like the Samsung Galaxy A53 or OnePlus Nord N20. The phone includes 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 1TB via a microSD card slot. That said, it's primarily intended to challenge the best rugged Android phones. The ruggedized smartphone is not short on features that keep it safe from the elements. It has an IP68 dust and water resistance rating, along with an MIL STD 810H certified design. Samsung's latest rugged phone also sports a 6.6-inch FHD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The screen is touted for its increased receptiveness even when used in the rain or while wearing gloves. Furthermore, its screen is protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. What makes this phone stand out in a crowded market is its removable battery. This means that you can swap out its 4050 mAh battery whenever it runs out of power. You can also juice up multiple accessories simultaneously thanks to its POGO charging capabilities. For those working remotely, the Galaxy XCover 6 Pro features Samsung DeX, which allows them to set up a portable workspace with an external display, keyboard, and mouse. The handset ships with Android 12 out of the box, but Samsung promises up to 5 years of security updates and 4 additional One UI and OS upgrades. You can also remap 2 programmable keys, including the XCover and Top keys, to do specific functions like launching an app or activating its push-to-talk feature. The Galaxy XCover 6 Pro will be up for grabs starting this month in Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Later this year, Samsung will expand its availability to other regions. The Galaxy XCover 6 Pro will have 3 cameras, a 50MP plus 8MP dual main camera and a 13MP single front camera, with other numerous features. That is it guys, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.